If you need to remove a device from your Optus account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Optus account. Before changing your settings, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Device Management. Once logged in, find the section labeled Device Management on My Devices. This is where you can view all devices linked to your account. Step 3. Select the device to remove. In the Device Management section, locate the device you wish to remove. Click on it to access the device details. Step 4. Choose the Remove option. Look for an option that says Remove Device or Disconnect. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm removal. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to remove the device. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal. After completing these steps, the device should be successfully removed from your Optus account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Optus customer support for assistance.